here, it's a little vibrating. Hello and welcome to a K24 A2 swapped Mazda Miata NB. Usually when I drive K Miatas, the first impression is that it's very vibrating. With the solid motor mounts, there's a lot of vibration, but it's worth it though. It's worth the race car feel to get the driving dynamics out of the K series. It's so loud in here. And believe it or not, I'm actually a fan of Mazda's engine in the NB with the variable valve timing. I think it is an improvement over the 1.8 and the 1.6 in the NA. However, this is Mike's car. I met Mike at Core Works in Atlanta, but come to find out, he was from Virginia. So I'm here visiting, and he was like, hey man, you want to take the Miata for a rip? And I'm like, say less. The NB Miata isn't overlooked like the NC Miata is, but since the NA has pop-ups, that's the one everybody thinks of. But I think people sleep on the NB. It's a fantastic car and a fantastic platform to modify. This has the K24 from the Acura TSX. So 2.4 liter, 4-banger Honda engine. K-swaps are all the rage right now. There were so many K-series that were made that it makes sense that if you want an engine swap with a 4-cylinder, it makes the most sense. Now, I've literally driven every Miata swap you could possibly imagine. This is so weird. Notice that it has a hardtop from Panos, and it makes it basically a fastback. It's so aesthetically pleasing. Mike has made, possibly to me, the most aesthetically pleasing Miata I've ever seen. It looks the part. It's this beautiful blue color with carbon Kevlar door panels. It's got Volt TE37s, a Jetstream clipping kit, a Singular Motorsports carbon wing with custom chassis mounts. It's got Super Miata coilovers, and it's also got a BMW ZF 5-speed. It's not the factory transmission or a K-series transmission, which I find very interesting. Now, the moment you turn in this thing, it's so well done. Also, we have a shift light right here on the dash, which is very convenient for a high-revving engine like the K-series. It's kind of hard to know when to shift sometimes. It's also got V8 Roadsters front and rear subframes and V8 Roadsters tubular control arms with spherical bearings, and also a 3-2-3 ratio rear gear. The shifter is an IRP shifter, and it's all the way right here. You can almost see it. We also have Sparco Evo 2 Plus racing seats. They feel extremely comfortable, but also with the street harnesses. Now, street harnesses, all that means is that it has a buckle, like a traditional seatbelt buckle, rather than the spherical one. these like Ferrari-inspired gauges right here, and it just feels like a race car all the time. There's not a single moment where I'm like, oh man, this isn't a race car. That's a freaking Miata. Hell yeah. Even his freaking hood pins are aesthetically pleasing. He has freaking titanium bolts even in that. Alright, so K24 NB Miata, what do I think of it? Well, if you swap to a K series, be prepared to feel full race car all of the times. There is no casual cruising with no vibration. You're gonna constantly feel that. But when you're in the moment, when you're in the race car moment, it's worth it. It really is. At the same time, Mike has created a beautiful, beautiful car. I think you should be very proud. And once again, the answer is always Miata. And on that note, I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and I will see you guys next time. Take it easy. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Hey David, I'm at this spot. What's going on with this drift event?
Look up. It's about time you showed up.